Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable navigation bar on Samsung M35 device. Well, by knowing how to enable the navigation bar on your device, you can benefit from improved navigation control, enhanced accessibility, optimized screen real estate, interface consistency, multitasking support, customization options, and compatibility with the device that utilize on-screen navigation controls. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin the customization process, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, so on this page, navigate to the display option. So, scroll through the display settings until you find the navigation bar menu. Okay, next tap on the navigation bar menu to access the navigation bar customization options. Within the settings, enable the first option available to activate a navigation bar. Okay, by activating this option, you have customized the navigation bar on your device to enhance navigation efficiency and tailor the user interface to your preferences. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to enable navigation bar on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.